Shimoda Divider-Pocket Kits are a direct result of user feedback and were created to bring even more organization, convenience, and security inside your core unit. Each kit comes with 3 different sized EVA padded divider pockets to help keep smaller items secure inside your camera bag. Divider pockets can act as both dividers and pockets at the same time, allowing greater user case scenarios. Each pocket is made with EVA laminated with a brushed polyester, providing a soft and protective sleeve. The pocket seals shut with a Velcro closure and fastens to the interior of the core unit. Divider pocket kits are available in various sizes to match your camera carrying needs and core unit's height. Both adventure photographers and videographers will greatly benefit from the added organization and security of our divider pocket kits.